Hey there, folks. If you're looking to set up a Raymond James login, you've come to the right place. Raymond James is a trusted financial services company, and creating an online account is a straightforward process that lets you manage your investments, check balances, and more from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, easy-to-follow way. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First things first, before you get started, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your social security number, date of birth, and any account numbers if you're an existing client. Also, ensure you have access to a valid email address and phone number for verification purposes. This will help everything go smoothly and keep your account secure. Okay. Step 1. Open your web browser and head to the official Raymond James website. You can simply type Raymond James into your search engine and click on the first result from their official site to avoid any imposters. Once you're there, look for the Log In or Client Access section, usually at the top of the page. Step 2. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Register or New User button. This will take you to a registration form. Here, you'll enter your personal details like your name, address, and the aforementioned social security number. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent any delays. Next, Step 3. Create your login credentials. Choose a unique username and a strong password. Think at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Raymond James might prompt you to set up security questions or two-factor authentication here, which is a great idea for added protection. Step 4. After submitting the form, you'll likely receive a verification code via email or text. Enter that code on the site to confirm your identity. Once verified, your account should be active. Now, try logging in with your new credentials to make sure everything works. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check that you're using the correct website and not a phishing site. You can always contact Raymond James customer support for help. They're usually very responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Raymond James login. Now you can enjoy secure access to your financial tools anytime. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.